ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ. ವಿಶ್ವದ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಒಂದು. ಮಾಹೆ ಮತ್ತು ಐಟಿಸಿ ಸಂಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಅನುಷ್ಠಾನಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿತವರು ಉನ್ನತ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದುವೇ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ವಕ್ಷ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ 2019 ನಾನು ಪೂರ್ವ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಗ್ರಾಜ್ಯುಯೇಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಡೇಯ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ಆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಯ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಚಿತ್ರಣ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ.
Annual Day is the most prestigious occasion of any college. This is an occasion of celebration, felicitation, feast and festivity when our students present not only their delightful cultural performances but also receive honors for their curricular and co-curricular achievements. Good evening everyone. It's my honor to welcome you all on this day when we are celebrating our achievements. I, Srilata Rao, along with my co-host, Mr. Sandeep Srivastava, welcome you all on behalf of Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration family to the Annual Day and Awards Function 2019. We are truly blessed with your presence.
I kindly request you to keep your mobile phones on silent mode. To commence the program, let us invoke the blessings of Lord Almighty through the graceful entry of Miss Swati Acharya, Miss Kirtana and Miss Aditi.
Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarvavighnopashantaye. शयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं एकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथम्.
मधुरापुरी सदन मृदुवदन मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्ण चरणागतं कृष्ण. मधुरापुरी सदन मृदुवदन मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण. मधुरापुरी सदन मृदुवदन मधुसूदन इह स्वागतं कृष्ण शरणागतं कृष्ण. मुष्टिकासूरचानूरमल्ल मल्ल विशारद मधुसूदन मुष्टिकासूरचानूरमल्ल मल्ल विशारद कुवलयपीठ मर्दन कलिङ्गनर्दन गोकुलरक्षण सकल सुलक्षण देवा मर्दन कलिङ्गनर्दन गोकुलरक्षण सकल सुलक्षण देवा. शिष्ट जनपाल संकल्प कल्प कल्प शतकोटिय समपरा धीर मुनि जन विहार मदन सुकुमार दैत्य संहार देवा. मधुर मधुर रति साहस साहस व्रज युवती जनमानस पूजित मधुर मधुर रति साहस साहस व्रज युवती जनमानस पूजित. तकतरि कुकुतन किट तकदीं 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 तकतरि कुकुतन किट तकदीं. कृष्णा.
Thank you for that wonderful performance.
it would be appropriate to remember and pay obeisance to the visionary late Dr. T.M.A. Pai, without whose efforts the Manipal of today would not have been possible. Team Waksha has produced this exclusive video to pay tribute to this towering personality.
Inspired by legend, driven by his vision, young Madhav Pai was only 23 years old when he got married and was all set to travel to Hong Kong to practice surgery. But destiny had other plans for him. Before Dr. Pai could leave, he took blessings from his mother, who said these wise words that made him realize his true visions. You must search for things where they have fallen. You must earn in your own land. Thus the seeds of Manipal were sown. He was an educationalist, a visionary, a noble man with an infectious zeal who helped people in social aspects of education, employment, healthcare and banking. He even started an orphanage by the name of Hindu Orphanage. But above all, he was an entrepreneur par excellence. Someone who had the right idea, the right knowledge to implement it at the right time. He established Kasturba Medical College, India's first private self-financing medical college, in 1953. This was followed by MIT and a string of many other institutions. In the year 1972, Dr. T.M.A. Pai was awarded with Padma Shri. What made Dr. T.M.A. Pai successful was his availability to all. When the first batch of students gathered for their first day at KMC, they were all making history. Since then, history is being made every day at this dynamic institution. This is the time to celebrate everything that we do at Waksha by remembering the guiding light of Dr. T.M.A. Pai. This is your university. It is alive, well, and busy making history. Today is the day to be proud of your university and its founder.
The ideas that were generated by Dr. Pai has changed the course of history. His ability to put people first is what ultimately helped him realize his dreams, which is something that I would like to imbibe for myself.
Dr. Pai used to see his work as God's vision of helping the needy. It is really motivating how he started everything with great values while never compromising on integrity or purpose.
He gave us a beautiful dream. It's very inspiring how one man, single-handedly with his vision, transformed this rock village into the beautiful, multicultural and diverse educational town that we all live.
May I request our principal to escort the dignitaries a floral tribute to late Dr. T.M.A. Pai. Henry Ford said, "Coming together is the beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success." This is the mantra that has brought us where we are today. I would like to invite our principal, Chef Thiru, to welcome the gathering and present the annual report.
A cheerful welcome to each and everyone present here today. Today is a special and memorable occasion, and we cherish your presence with regard and happiness. The guiding philosophy that brought success to Waksha is perseverance. The 33rd Annual Day and Annual Awards is a testimony to look back with the pride of our achievements and look ahead with vision. We have gathered here to celebrate our accomplishment through the year with a faith to raise the bar, seeking support and guidance from Manipal Academy of Higher Education and ITC leadership. The fragrance of flowers spread only in the direction of wind, but goodness of a person spreads in all directions. A very warm welcome and a pleasant evening to all dignitaries, invitees, parents, alumni, students present here. It is indeed a beautiful evening soaked in the delighted frame of mind, believing in the realm of education beyond classrooms. The team Waksha makes an attempt to hone important personal qualities such as leadership and teamwork, determination and flexibility, confidence and self-belief, and respect and consideration. It is my pleasure to welcome our chief guest of this evening, Mr. Sanjay Bose, Executive Vice President, Human Resources and Learning and Development, ITC Hotels. We are indeed honored to have you here, sir, with today. On behalf of Team Vaksha, I extend welcome to you, sir. Madam Vasanti Arpai, First Lady of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Chairperson Mahe Hostels, is with us. We wish to convey a heartfelt gratitude for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. We have an inspiring personality who has reached the pinnacle of success with us today. Welcome to our Honorable Pro-Chancellor Dr. H.S. Balal, Mahe. Sir, you hardly need any introduction, and you have made all of us proud for your distinguished work at various capacity. We extend our welcome to Madam Indra Balal to this occasion. One tree can start a forest, one word can frame a goal, one candle wipe out darkness. A true leader has a confidence to stand alone. Dr. Vinod Bhatt, Vice Chancellor, Mahe, the man with distinct vision, a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge and experience who is an inspiration to all of us. We welcome you, sir. It is an honor to welcome our Pro-Vice Chancellors, Dr. PLNG Rao, Quality Assurance, Dr. Purnima Baliga, Pro Health Sciences. We welcome you, sirs and madam. I am delighted to welcome Dr. Rajan Padukone, Group President, MEMG, to this occasion. We appreciate your presence in the midst of this august gathering, sir. It is our pleasure to welcome our beloved Registrar, Dr. Narayan Sabahit. Your presence and personal interaction with us will certainly support the growth of this great institution. I welcome Mr. Lemuel Lerbert, Executive Coach, Counselor, Hospitality Trainer, and former Principal of Vaksha, who has graciously accepted our invitation to be a part of this occasion. It is a privilege to welcome our friend, philosopher, guide in hospitality sphere, Mr. Arul Mani, Dean, Executive Education, Taj Group of Hotels, Aurangabad. It is my privilege to welcome you to witness this function. On behalf of Team Vaksha, I welcome Dr. Swarup Sinha, Principal, ITC HMI, who is always a strong pillar of support for Vaksha placements and internship. We welcome you, sir. I would like to extend special welcome to our guest, Mr. Kovid Sharma, Head Human Resources, ITC Fortune Hotels. Pleasure to have you here with us, sir. An illustrious alumnus, 5th course, BHM, Mr. Rohit Kohli, with us today. He is a joint managing director, Creative Travel Group, Delhi. I am happy to announce that he is distinguished alumni 2019 of Vaksha. Welcome to your alma mater, Mr. Kohli. My strongest support in providing training facility to Vaksha students is Mr. Sanjay Pant, General Manager, Fortune in Valley View, Manipal. Thank you for your continued support, sir. We heartily welcome you for this function. I take this opportunity to record the best wishes sent by most respected and admired members of Mahe leadership, Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, Dr. Ranjan Pai, Mr. Shruti Pai. On behalf of Team Vaksha, I thank them for their continued support in Vaksha endeavors. I welcome the members of family, heads of Mahe institution, administrative heads of Mahe, print and electronic media, all members of Fortune in Valley View. It is a pleasure to heartily welcome all the dearest parents and students who have always extended their love and support to all our endeavors at Vaksha. Now I would like to move on annual report. This is a defining moment for me to celebrate achievements of students and faculty by giving due regards to our values and moral, exemplified through our actions during the year 2018-19. The status of Institute of Eminence is an inspiration for all of us to move forward with a greater confidence by raising the standards of teaching, learning, and research to higher level. The annual report is divided into 4 parts based on the strategic vision of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, with hope to live up to the expectations of all stakeholders.
Waksha was the first college in India to offer a degree in Bachelor's in Hotel Management, and it has been continuing its legacy for the past 33 years. Currently, it is the #1 college in India in the private sector for hotel management and holds the 30th rank worldwide. We are proud to be a part of MAHE, which is one of 3 private institutions that was recognized as an Institute of Eminence in 2018 by Ministry of Human Resource Development. Waksha has an approval by All India Council for Technical Education and University Grants Commission. It is also accredited by the World Association of Chef Society, Confederation of Indian Industries, and Hotel School with Distinction. Waksha exposes and trains students in various departments of the hotel. This is achieved by providing them with state-of-art resources to practice the techniques and methods required. They provide them with spacious infrastructure which offers 3 kitchens, 1 bakery, 2 restaurants, a mock bar, a front office lab, a housekeeping lab, library, and a computer lab.
I would like to conclude the annual report by thanking Team Waksha, who tirelessly contribute to the success of this great institution. Thank you everyone.
ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇ ಜೊತೆಗೂ ಹಲವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕಾರಗಳು ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿರಾಮದ ಬಳಿಕ. ವಾಕ್ಷಾ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ 2019 ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಕೂಡ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಈ ಬಗ್ಗೆನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
Dr. Vinod Bhatt, our Vice Chancellor, who describes his life and work as changing landscapes, has had a long and illustrious career both as a teacher as well as an able administrator. A thorough researcher at heart, he has several scientific publications in national and international peer-reviewed journals to his credit. With his rich experience in research, Dr. Bhatt has been responsible for the spectacular growth in external research funding attracted by Manipal Academy of Higher Education. As a part of Vision 2020, Dr. Bhatt's ambition is to see MAHE among top 200 universities in the world. It's our pleasure to have you here, sir. I kindly request you to address the gathering. I request our principal, Chef Thiru, to escort him to the dais.
Mrs. Vasanti Pai, Mr. Sanjay Bose, members of ITC and Manipal family, invitees, students, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to be here for this wonderful evening's program celebrating Waksha's annual day. We are living Dr. T.M. Pai's dream. We are led by his vision. It was Dr. T.M. Pai who set up then what was called as Value View Health Club. And then in 1986, he joined hands with ITC and started the first ever 4-year program in the country. So Dr. T.M. Pai began, Dr. Ramdas Pai continued, and today we are seeing wonderful things coming out of Waksha. Now, it's no surprise that our destinies are really linked. Mr. Deveshwar and Dr. Pai were awarded Padma Bhushan in the same year in 2011. And this to me is not just serendipity. You don't see any kind of an agreement signed beyond 3 years or 5 years. The ITC Manipal agreement is for 50 years. And that's the kind of linkage that we wish to see in all our collaboration, the longevity, the fruitfulness, and the productivity of a collaboration of this nature. I think Principal Thiru talked about Manipal's Institute of Eminence and the status and that position that has been given to us. We are only one of 2 such institutions in the country. Remember that there are 850 universities in the country, more than half of them in the private sector. One of 2 is truly amazing. It's no surprise that Waksha is the only institution in the university which has got a global rank of less than 50. Ranked 30 by CEO World. So who do you think has contributed most for Manipal's Institution of Eminence? So who do you think will lead us to that position? There you go. Thank you, all the best.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Team Waksha, it's my pleasure to welcome and introduce the recipient of Distinguished Alumni 2019 Award, Mr. Rohit Kohli, 5th course BHM Waksha. We are glad to have you here with us tonight and appreciate your presence in spite of your busy schedule. Rohit is one of the forward-leaning leaders of travel industry, walking in the path shown by his father, Mr. Ram Kohli, a legend in the tourism industry. He is married to Ms. Ruchi Sood, who is an alumna of 7th course BHM and blessed with 2 daughters. I request Mr. Rajshekhar to escort him to the stage. The citation reads as follows. Mr. Rohit Kohli is an acknowledged leader recognized for his outstanding contributions to the field of travel and tourism. He is Joint Managing Director of the Creative Travel Group, Delhi. Established in 1977, Creative Travel is today considered to be India's largest independent, family-owned, inbound destination management company. The company has 18 offices around the world. The other main businesses include Signature Tours by Creative Travel, Planet Meetings and Conferences, and Jungle Sutra Wildlife Journeys. Creative Travel has been recognized with over 70 national and international awards. Some of these including the World Travel Awards, National Tourism Awards by the Government of India, Site Crystal Awards, TTG Travel Awards, WTM Global Awards, etc. Rohit's position at the group, aside from sharing overall management responsibilities, include management of the operations and business development functions of the organization. He is also responsible for the strategic planning, including expansion and new focus areas. One of Rohit's key involvements is in the sustainability and responsible efforts of the organization through Ram Kohli Foundation. He is part of the boards of several trade associations as part of his volunteerism efforts. Some of them include being the first secretary of Young Tourism Professionals Worldwide and the youngest honorary secretary of PATA India. Rohit also served as the India chair for ICCA India and a governing body member of Eco-Tourism Society of India. He received BHM degree in 1993 from Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Manipal. Over the past 25 years, he has risen to the position of leadership in the global tourism industry. A Wakshite in true spirit, Rohit embodies the characteristics cherished at Waksha: hardworking, innovative, and dedicated to making the world a better place. In recognition of Mr. Rohit Kohli's outstanding professional accomplishments and contributions to the Indian tourism industry, Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration and its alumni are proud to present him this award. I request Chef Thiru to escort Mr. Sanjay Bose and Dr. Vinod Bhatt to the stage to felicitate Mr. Rohit Kohli. I request Madam Pai to join Chef Thiru.
almost felt like I'm getting married again. You know, it's very humbling to be welcomed back to Wagsha with such respect, because this is the same institute that couldn't wait to throw me out in 1993. But as I drove in today, one of the first memories that hit me was, in 1991-92, when the college building was under construction, somewhere 20 feet below the ground, I hid a bottle of beer in the foundation. So one day that beer will mature. But all jokes apart, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you that all of you are part of a very, very, very special institute. I'm not just saying it because you've already heard a lot of our former colleagues and friends who are around the world now. But the fact is that I would not even be half of what I am today if it wasn't for the grounding, the foundation one gets here. This is, whatever you will learn F&B production, you will learn science, you will learn whatever you do. But I think what Wagsha teaches you is lessons in life. That, ladies and gentlemen, you will not get anywhere else. I will only say one thing: all of you are future leaders. Whatever you do with dignity, do with respect. Never forget humility, and most of all, never forget where you came from. Always do Wagsha proud, ladies and gentlemen, because not only has Wagsha given me a lot, it's also gave me my wife, who I met here. She's from the 7th course. So I have a lot to be thankful for from Wagsha, except on days when I'm fighting with her. That's when I'm not so much. But again, ladies and gentlemen, have a great future. And for the graduating batch, all of you will be looking at many, many opportunities to do many, many different things in the industry. But don't hold back. Follow your passion, follow what you feel is right, follow your heart. There are many, many opportunities ahead of you. And I can only say one thing: if any of you ever would like an internship in the world of tourism, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to set it up for you.
Swarna Lakshmi has been adjudged as the best outgoing student from the MSc Dietetics and Applied Nutrition based on her performance over the 2 years. She secured first rank on the basis of CGPA, topped her class in the subject Food Service Systems Management and ICT, Rotary Internship Training, and the Master's Dissertation. Ms. Kavita Karnik Pai secured first rank on the basis of CGPA in the first year of MSc.
Moving on to MSc Hospitality and Tourism Management, Ms. Tanvi Rajesh Bachawat has secured first rank on the basis of CGPA. Other awardees are unable to attend the function today. Thank you, sirs, for doing the honors.
May I request Dr. PLNG Rao, Pro Vice Chancellor, Quality Assurance, MAHE, to give away the next set of awards. I would also request Chef Vasantan and Chef Kaliappan to bring the awardees from first and second year BA in Culinary Arts. Ms. Maitri Chetan Shah secured first rank on the basis of CGPA for her performance in first year Baka. Ms. Arpita Tripathi secured first rank in her second year Baka. Gagandeep Kaur Gandhi secured second rank, and Vandita S. secured third rank for her performance in the second year. Thank you, sirs.
Moving on to the third year Baka, I kindly request Dr. Purnima Baliga, Pro Vice Chancellor, Health Sciences, to give away the next set of awards. I request Chef Antuvan, Chef Prasenjit Sarkar to accompany the awardees to the stage. Miss Sanjana Sridhar is the university topper and secured first rank on the basis of CGPA for her overall performance over the 3 years. She topped her batch in the third year of BACA as well, securing the first position in the following subjects: fast food chain management and entrepreneurship, marketing management and consumer behavior, food photography and food writing, Indian contemporary cuisine, garde manger, food styling and presentation, advanced showpiece and confectionery techniques, modern events and banquet management, project Viva and report. She is the recipient of ITC scholarship of rupees 25,000. Miss Kangana Khurana secures second rank on the basis of her overall performance over the 3 years and secures second rank for her performance in the third year BACA as well. She tops her class in the subject Leadership for Chefs, Senior Thesis and Hotel Externship. Kangana receives ITC scholarship of rupees 15,000. Miss Urvi Khanna secures third rank for the overall performance in the 3 years and for her performance in the third year BACA. She tops her class in the subject Research Methodology. She receives ITC scholarship of rupees 10,000. Moving on to PGDCA course, Miss Akshaya Krishnan secures second position. Thank you so much, madam, for the honors.
We shall now move on to awards in Bachelor of Hotel Management. I kindly request Mr. Arul Mani, Dean Executive Education, Taj Hotels and Resorts, to do the honors. I request Mr. Rashekar and Chef Shama to bring the awardees to the dais for their performance in first year BHM. Ms. Nikita Singh secured first rank on the basis of CGPA for her performance in first year BHM. She has topped her class in the subject Hospitality Operation Skills. She also earns the ITC scholarship of rupees 30,000. Ms. Joanna T. has bagged the second rank on the basis of CGPA and bags ITC scholarship of rupees 22,500. Ms. K. Kavya has been awarded ITC scholarship of rupees 10,000. Mr. Nishchal Hebar N. receives ITC scholarship of rupees 10,000. Ms. Lavanya R. Raja has obtained second rank in Hospitality and Operations Skills.
ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಗೆ ಆಗಮಿಸುವಂತಹ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸತ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಫುಡ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎಂಬುದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿರಾಮದ ಬಳಿಕ. ವಕ್ಷಾ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ 2019 ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಝಲಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ.
ये नाम तो सुना ही होगा. ये उन महान पुरुषों में से है जिनका नाम इतिहास के पन्नों में अमर हो गया. हमें लगा इनकी कहानी खत्म हो गई है, लेकिन पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Witness a symphony of the past in the present, where a legend comes back to earth to re-establish his glory. Waksha proudly presents Mughal-e-Azam. Living a life full of adventure is something that everyone dreams of. Traveling to different places, meeting different people, learning their customs and tasting exotic food is something we all want. But what do we do when we can no longer do these things? We feel frustrated and depressed. Such was the case with the great emperor Akbar. It had been hundreds of years since he had left Earth and taken up residence in the heavens. But even he was bored. He wanted to ride his horse and fight in a war again. He wanted to meet his people and end their grievances. So, to beat his boredom, he did something that we could never associate with the emperor. He sat down to watch a movie.
आमदे ताजदारे मुगलिया शहंशाह हिंदुस्तान जलालुद्दीन मोहम्मद तशरीफ ला रहे हैं।
सलीम।
जी अब्बा।
आजकल बहुत घूम रहे हो, जरा बताओ मेरे बारे में क्या सुना है?
अब्बा, सुनने में आया है कि हमारी जिंदगी की दास्तान पर एक सिनेमा बना है, नाम दिया है मुगल आजम।
ठीक है, तुम जा सकते हो, लेकिन जाने से पहले बीरबल और अनारकली को बुला जाना।
जी अब्बा।
जहांपना, आपने हमें याद किया? हाँ, हमने सलीम से सुना है कि हमारे ऊपर एक पिक्चर बनाई गई है। हमारी ख्वाहिश है कि सब हमारे साथ बैठकर ये देखें।
जी जहांपना, जरूर।
ख्वाजा जी, ख्वाजा, ख्वाजा जी। या अल्लाह, ये क्या दिखाया जा रहा है बीरबल? हम तो कभी ऐसे थे ही नहीं।
शहंशाह, ये सब गलत है, काश हम ये खुद बना पाते। अब्बू, ये क्या है? हमारा मजाक बना के रख दिया।
इस गुस्ताखी की सजा मिलनी चाहिए।
बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई, कहते हैं मुझको हवा हवाई हवा हवाई। आपने हमारे हवा हवाई को ही टक्कर दे दी। ओए ओए ओए।
Akbar, could you really dance like that? Why don't you show us some moves too? Maybe we can learn something from you.
हम अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में ऐसे नहीं नाचे। तुम अंग्रेजों को ये शाही तौर तरीके नहीं पता।
Whoa, bro! You sure can ride that chariot. Hey, why don't I give you my car and you drive that the way you drove this? Heck, there's no roads up here, but you sure are gonna crash.
खामोश, बदतमीज! बादशाह हिंद से इस तरह बात करने की सजा मौत है।
So you're gonna kill me now?
बीरबल, हमें धरती पर वापस जाना होगा। हम ये अपमान और नहीं सह सकते। सलीम और अनारकली, चलो हमारे साथ।
Press 1 for any complaints regarding your stay. Press 2 for viewing any living person's life. Press 3 for contacting the Almighty. Press 4 for visiting the underworld. Press 5 for visiting Earth. Press 1 for a casual visit. Press 2 for any personal vendetta. Press 3 for rebirth requests. Please hold on while we transfer your call to our official.
Fine. Since this is your first request to return to Earth, we can grant it immediately. However, you must remember that since you are returning after hundreds of years, everything on Earth has changed. There are new technologies that is beyond your understanding. Press 1 to confirm. You will be teleported to your home in New Delhi. Best of luck for your quest.
चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और बाजीराव की तलवार पर संदेह नहीं करते।
Oh God, one more remix.
दिल धड़काए और सीटी बजाए, दिल धड़काए सीटी बजाए, बीच सड़क पे नखरे दिखाए, सारे हो करके इशारे, हो लड़की हो लड़की ओ लड़की आंख मारे आंख मारे, ओ लड़की आंख मारे आंख मारे, ओ लड़की आंख मारे।
तुषार कपूर की आवाज में कुमार सानू की आवाज में
ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे।
अरे ओ भाई साहब, जरा इधर तो आइए। अरे आइए ना, अपन को लोग सर्किट बुलाते हैं। वैसे तुम लोग कौन हो और कहां से आए हो?
हमें मदद की जरूरत है। ये सोने की अंगूठी रख लो, लेकिन इसके बदले में हमारी मदद करनी पड़ेगी।
देवा रे देवा, सच्ची का सोना। इन लोगों के पास तो बहुत पैसा है और पूरा मामू लोग भी। मस्त पैसा मिलेगा इन लोगों से। अरे हाँ हाँ, अपन रहेगा ना तुम्हारे साथ। नो चिंता नो टेंशन, अपन है ना। अच्छा वैसे बोलो, तुम लोग को चाहिए क्या?
अरे सर्किट भाई, देखिए ना, हमारे बारे में इन लोगों ने एक खराब सिनेमा बनाया है, इसीलिए हम इस गलती की तब्दीलियत करने वापस आए हैं। आप मदद करोगे ना सर्किट भाई?
जी बिल्कुल। अब जब मेम साहब बोल ही रही है तो करना तो पड़ेगा ना। अच्छा चलो रे चलो, तुम लोग के रहने का जगह ढूंढता हूँ। मस्त 5 स्टार होटल में रहूंगा, तंदूरी चिकन खाऊंगा। आय हाय।
Namaste sir, welcome to ITC Maurya. How may I assist you?
एक राजा के सोने की जगह दिखाओ।
Okay sir, we have a few rooms with king size beds. Do you want those?
हमें 5 ऐसे घर चाहिए।
Okay sir, just hold on a minute. Yes, we have 5 rooms available. It will be a total of 50,000 per night. And also, please submit your Aadhaar cards as identity proof.
अरे वो चिंता नको करने का, अपन है ना। ये ले, और सब एकदम मस्त खाना पीना रूम में पहुंचाना।
Here are your keys. Thank you sir. Have a pleasant stay.
चलो रे चलो।
और हाँ सर्किट, कल हमें अपने सिनेमा के लिए किरदार चाहिए। सबको सुबह बुलवा देना, अभी शहंशाह के आराम करने का समय है।
पेश किया जाए।
सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना, जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना ए सारा जमाना हसीनों का दीवाना जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना ए सारा जमाना।
डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, लेकिन सोनिया एक बात समझ लो, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है।
अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन। अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन। मैं हूँ कौन मैं हूँ कौन मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ कौन। डॉन 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 डॉन। मैं हूँ डॉन मैं हूँ डॉन मैं हूँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ डॉन।
फिर रात बढ़ी और दिन निकला, जब दिन निकला तो रात चढ़ी, फिर प्रीत की ऐसी भींग पड़ी, रब राखा बेदिया हे हो हे हो।
ओटनी पर जब चांद चले और चांद के पीछे रात चले, और तारों की बारात चले, रब राखा बेलिया ये हो।
हर रात कहानी चलती है,
कभी हवा सुनाती है बातें,
कभी बात ज़बानी चलती है, रब राखा बेलिया।
फिर रात खड़ी
और दिन निकला, जब दिन निकला तो रात चढ़ी, फिर प्रीत की ऐसी भींग पड़ी, रब राखा बेलिया।
ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ನಿರಂತರ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮನೋರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ಸ್ಪಂದನ.